Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you the easiest way to turn on your PC remotely anywhere in the world. The best part, no DDNS, no static IP and no complex setup. Just your ESP32, your PC and Telegram. You will be able to turn on your PC from anywhere securely with the commands only coming from your own Telegram account. This method is super simple to configure, beginner friendly and completely safe. In this tutorial, I'll guide you step by step from setting up your ESP32, creating a Telegram bot, and sending the magic packet that powers on your PC. By the end, you will have a fully functional, secure, remote Wake-on-LAN system ready to use. Let's talk about the hardware that is required to make this setup. This is the ESP32 dev board, the microcontroller that will send the magic packet. It comes in very cheap price. You can get it around for $6 over the Amazon. The link is added in the description to buy the exact device. And it serves multiple interesting purpose projects which I'm going to upload in future on my channel. So please subscribe to get more videos like this. Now, the second is the data cable that is going to power this device and send the data as well. Make sure that it is capable of sending data plus power to the ESP module for your PC. And last, your home Wi-Fi router. The ESP32 and PC must be on the same LAN during the setup, and that's it. You also need one programming software called Arduino to program the ESP32, and no programming background is needed. The whole program I have written and pasted in the description. Open Telegram app and type @bot further to create a bot. It is absolutely free. Then start the process. Type new bot to create a new bot. Then same way enter the name of your bot that you are going to create. Now you have to create a unique name for this bot. It should be ending with underscore bot. For example, here Wake-on-LAN underscore bot. Press enter and you will get some token, copy and keep it. Now open the device management from the run and note down the port where your ESP32 is connected. You can see it's connected on COM7 in my case. Note down it. Open the IDE and install ESP32 board and select the COM port. Follow the steps like I have followed in the video, exactly the same. Here I have already installed, so I'm going to update it. After installation, select the board and the port. In my case, it is Node MCU325. You can see that I have selected. Now I'm going to select the port. Now you have to install these two libraries which are showing on the screen. Click on Manage Libraries and paste the name here. Click on Install. Similarly for Arduino JSON. Now copy the code which I have pasted in the description. Here in this step, you have to enter your Wi-Fi connectivity details and the token which you have copied from the Telegram app without any spaces under the quotes. Now run ncpa.cpl to copy the MAC address of your local LAN which should be connected to your Wi-Fi router. It is under status, then details, You can see 12 character of address. Now you have to enter it under the target MAC. The format is shown on the screen. Now, once the modification done in the text script, click on the compile sketch, the arrow on the top. When you see connecting here, press and hold the boot button on the ESP32. Keep holding until you see the writing. When you see this screen, release it and wait for a while. After it gets complete to 100%, the setup has been done. Now it's time to test the bot. But before that, the last thing what you have to do is go to the BIOS menu, and under that enable the Wake-on-LAN feature. Different BIOS settings can have a different name. You can Google it and tune it accordingly. The only thing that you have to do is enable the Wake-on-LAN feature. You can enter your motherboard detail over the Google and find out the steps to turn it on. Once turn it on, save and exit from the BIOS menu, and that's it. Your setup is done. Now, to test the same, just open Telegram app from anywhere and type /wake. The moment you type it, it will prompt magic packet sent and you can see the computer is turned on. That's it for this project. Your ESP32 is now turning on your PC remotely through Telegram. No DDNS, no public IP, and fully secure. If you found this useful, hit the like button and subscribe. Because I post videos on computer networking, automation, and real world project like this one. Trust me, the upcoming videos will take your home lab and network automation skills to the next level. So stay tuned and I will see you later in the next one.